Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya. Today I'll be showing you how to make Badhusha, also known as Balushahi. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of curd, half teaspoon of baking soda, little water, 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of ghee. Start mixing the ingredients to make a dough. Do not over knead it. Now tuck the dough like this in order to get a flaky texture. Allow it to rest for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, as the dough is resting, let's make the sugar syrup. Keep a vessel on the stove in a low flame. Add 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water to make the syrup. Here, the same measurement cup used to measure the flour should be used to measure the sugar and water as well. Next, add little saffron for good flavor and color. Also add a little cardamom powder. Boil the syrup until you get one string consistency in this manner. Keep it aside until we fry the badushas. Now the dough has been rested. Roll the dough and cut it into equal pieces. Roughly flatten the pieces and poke the dough on both the sides with your finger to give it a shape of a badusha. Fry it in a low-medium flame in oil or ghee until crispy and golden brown. You can see that the dough rises up and starts to float on the surface and doubles its size while being fried. Transfer it into a plate and repeat frying the rest of the badushas. Once fried, soak it into the sugar syrup for 10 to 15 minutes. Once soaked, transfer it into a plate and soak the other batch of fried badushas into the syrup. Finally, garnish it with some pista flakes. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.